Abroad.
ต่างประเทศ
When are they going abroad? Across.
ข้าม
They're taking a ferry across the Mediterranean Sea. Algeria.
แอลจีเรีย
Algeria and Morocco are in the north of Africa. All year round.
ตลอดทั้งปี
They're looking forward to living in the sun all year round. Banana.
กล้วย
Would you like a banana? Biology.
ชีววิทยา
I studied biology, chemistry and physics at school. Boat.
เรือ
They're going to have a boat cruise on the river Tagus. Bridge.
สะพาน
They want to see the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Campus.
วิทยาเขต
They're going to live on the university campus. Carefully.
อย่างระมัดระวัง
Goodbye. Drive carefully. Check in.
เช็คอิน
Let's check into the hotel before we go for dinner. Chemistry.
เคมี
I studied biology, chemistry and physics at school. Cruise.
ล่องเรือ
They're going to have a boat cruise on the river Tagus. Czech.
ชาวเช็ก
Milena Dusek is Czech. She was born in Prague. Developing countries.
ประเทศกำลังพัฒนา
Archie and Fiona want to work in developing countries. Divorced.
อย่าร้าง
My parents are divorced. East.
ทิศตะวันออก
St. Francis's Hospital in the east of Zambia. Economics.
เศรษฐศาสตร์
She is studying English, psychology and economics. Europe.
ยุโรป
They're traveling round Europe. Event.
เหตุการณ์
Your first day at school is a big event in life. Exam.
การสอบ
Good luck in the exam. I hope it goes well. Flight.
เที่ยวบิน
They have a flight back to Auckland from London on Saturday. Future.
อนาคต
What are your plans for the future? Grow up.
โตขึ้น
Where did you grow up? Hope.
หวัง
I hope the family are nice, and I hope I like English food. Housewife.
แม่บ้าน
Carlotta Reinhardt is a housewife. How long?
นานแค่ไหน
How long is Evie going to stay? Jeep.
รถจี๊ป
We're traveling by Jeep when we're on safari. Journalist.
นักข่าว
My father is a journalist, and works for a newspaper. Local.
ท้องถิ่น
We live near the local school so we walk there every day. Medicine.
ยา
We studied medicine together at the University of Edinburgh. Modern languages.
ภาษาสมัยใหม่
She was a student of modern languages. Morocco.
โมร็อกโก
Algeria and Morocco are in the north of Africa. Motorbike.
รถมอเตอร์ไซค์
I can't ride a motorbike but I can drive a car. Move.
เคลื่อนไหว
We moved to Berlin in 1995. Nearby.
ใกล้เคียง
I see my father quite often. He lives nearby. Nightclub.
ในคลับ
They want to go to a nightclub in Faro. Overnight.
ข้ามคืน
They're taking an overnight ferry to Santander. Physics.
ฟิสิกส์
I studied biology, chemistry and physics at school. Plan.
วางแผน
What are your future plans? Pleasure.
ความพึงพอใจ
It was a pleasure. We enjoyed having you. Port.
ท่าเรือ
They want to walk round the spice market and the old port. Psychology.
จิตวิทยา
She is studying English, psychology and economics. Research company.
บริษัทวิจัย
His mother works for the research company, Bayer. Rucksack.
เป้กระเป๋าสะพายหลัง
I'm not going with anyone. Just me and my rucksack. Safari.
ซาฟารี
We're traveling by Jeep when we're on safari. Sangria.
แซงเกรีย
They want to have sangria and tapas in the evening in Madrid. Spice market.
ตลาดเครื่องเทศ
They want to walk round the spice market and the old port. Tapas.
ทาปาส
They want to have sangria and tapas in the evening in Madrid. There.
ที่นั่น
I'm going to put the photos on Facebook. You can see them there. Transport.
ขนส่ง
Cars, buses and trains are all forms of transport. Zambia.
ซัมเบีย
Next week they're going to Zambia, in southern Africa.